Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 VAC was unable to verify your game session error with simple steps. This error usually happens due to corrupted files or background conflicts. First, open Steam, go to your library, right-click Counter-Strike 2, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Next, restart your computer and launch Steam as administrator to refresh all services properly. After that, make sure no background programs like cheat engines, overlays, or unnecessary tools are running, because VAC can block your session because of them. You should also log out of Steam and log back in, which helps reset your session. Another important step is to repair the Steam service by running the Steam Service Repair command. Finally, ensure your antivirus is not blocking Steam files. Follow these methods carefully, and your VAC error should be resolved easily. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.